I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, it's time for this thing to leave the house. I tried doing the recycling bit, upstanding citizen, make sure everything gets recycled, used up as much as possible, but it seems like nobody wants a toilet. The toilet from the little bathroom that I set out there in the front yard was gone the next day. This one, nobody seems to want it. Now perhaps it was because the old one was one of the old 2-gallon flushes, and this one is one of the modern 1.6. Doesn't flush very well. Be that as it may, it's got to go. I don't want it sitting out in the snow when I have to deal with it in the freezing rain or snow and try and dig it out of a snowbank. So we're going to take care of it today. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the garbage. And to do that, I need to get it smaller. A couple reasons. One, it'll fit in the garbage can better. Two, makes it easier to pick this thing up and drop it into the garbage can. So what I'm going to do is get out the sledgehammer and I'm going to reduce this thing to smaller pieces. Won't take long. Another little bit of trivia. Every garage sale we've ever had, we had a toilet seat for sale at the garage sale. I don't know why people buy toilet seats at garage sales. So, we're going to keep the toilet seat. Doesn't take long to take them down, does it? Now I just got to pick up all the pieces. This thing's small enough to go right in the trash as it is. A friend of mine said he tossed his toilet off the front porch to make it small enough to go in the garbage can. I think that would be pretty messy. Fortunately, I have a garage floor that I can just break things up on and sweep it up and toss it out. That way I don't have to rake up all these little tiny chips out of the yard. Because porcelain shatters. Goes into a million pieces.
Okay, all smashed up, little bitty pieces, and gone off to the recycling place. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.